So guys, in this video we will use for loops to get the rows and columns. Okay, so for example we have this NDF2 table, right? It has this 447 rows and 3 columns. So if I just write for I can set it index because the rows in data frame knows as index, and for example I can also write row, so it will actually fetch the columns. Okay, so let me tell you why I am writing row. So for index and row in ndf2 dot iter, let me press tab, and you can see that it is showing me these options, right? So it has items, iter rows and iter tuples. So we will just choose the iter rows. Okay, and that's it. Now if I just print index comma row, you can see it is showing an error. Well, it is actually a method, so we have to put parenthesis over here. Yeah, now if I run it, you can see it is showing me some details, right? So the A has this 0.654 value, then C has none value, then D has this value, then the overall data type of this 0th row is object, right? So it is actually calculating row by row, right? It is first printing the 0th row, then the 1 index row, then the 2 index row, 3 index row, and so on, right? So if you just write over here iter items, then if you run it, now you can see it is printing column by column. You can see it is first printing a column, then it is printing C column, then it is printing D column, right? So let me just put it rows over here. And now if you just want to fetch only one column, right? If you want to fetch all the rows with one column, in that case you just need to write over here the column name, right? So row in the box bracket, you can just put A. Okay, that's it. Now if I run it, you can see that it is now printing only the A column. Okay, 0.654, then 0.76 and on, right? So you can see it is printing 0 row has this value, then 1 index row has this value, then 2 index row has this value, and so on, right? So in this way you can use this for loop in a data frame. Okay.